Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing all pastels from an Indian company known as DOMS. This is a pack of 50 shades and these oil pastels are in the shape of a hexagon. It's a great assortment of colors. They look very similar to the titi crayons which I have been personally using when I was in school. These are very soft to use on paper, very smooth, easy to blend, overlap and all of those things, because they're so economical. It is great for student use as well. However, professionals can use them too, considering the variety and the quality. Unlike the tt crayons which used to have a silver and a golden shade as well, this does not have that, but it includes three accessories, which is the sharpener, the crayon holder and a scraper sort of a tool. It is good for layering too. So except for a little bit of that typical oil smell and the metallic colors not being included in the pack, which is not that big con, it's a good pack of crayons to have in your art kit. Would definitely recommend it. This is not a sponsored review. You can find the link to the crayons in my description box below. Do have a look. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow. Thank you for watching.